In this slide, we were focusing on the fundamental difference between traditional transactions and the new introduced user operation, which are brought by account abstraction. So regular transactions on Ethereum are typically initiated by externally owned accounts, a key pair, which are user-controlled accounts capable of sending transactions, including call data to interact with smart contracts. However, EOAs themselves lack programmable functionality and can only trigger actions externally, rather than executing complex logic within the account. This limitation restricts flexibility, as all account-specific logic has to reside within separate smart contracts rather than within the account itself. User operations, as introduced with ERC 3473, transform the way transactions work on Ethereum by allowing smart contracts to act as an account, referred to contract accounts. Traditionally, only externally owned accounts could initiate transactions, which limits the flexibility because ERAs don't support programmable logic. With user operations, contract accounts gain the capability to initiate transactions directly, enabling a new class of functionality that previously unattainably within the account itself. By giving smart contracts the power to function as an account abstraction brings Ethereum closer to a fully financially ecosystem. It enables user-friendly and feature-rich applications, as users can now interact with blockchain in ways that feel more intuitive and secure. Instead of relying solely on EOAs with limited function, developers can create applications that leverage smart contract accounts to handle intricate workflows and access controls natively. This paradigm shift sets the foundation for a more versatile Ethereum, capable of supporting sophisticated user-focused blockchain applications that were previously challenging to implement under the traditional account model. So this set to the differences between regular transactions and user operations.